from the Bronx to the drill rapper, man, I swear they look up to me. Cause they know who started this shit. I'm the face in the heart of this shit. Number one, I be feeling.
We about to get into this degenerosity. Let's get it. Okay. Damn.
As a kid,
why? Why was that so loud, bro?
I did a lot of naughty things. Like stay up to watch late night television. And on some of those nights, when I'm laughing all gleefully at Peter Griffin's hilarious...
Damn, I didn't even get to watch Family Guy this young, yo. Oh my goodness. What was on at my late night? True Jackson VP? Like, oh my goodness.
Antics. The TV screen suddenly goes to black. And the screen has low pixelated white text on, while the most bone-chilling beeping sound pierces my ears. At this point, I get a little scared and go under my covers, because I don't understand what's going on. Is this part of the Family Guy episode? The screen and beeping would last about 30 seconds, but it felt like an eternity till it finally switches back to my regular scheduled program. But almost every time after that happens,
what was that then? I don't understand.
I'm not in the mood to watch TV no more. I'm going to sleep. What I just had the misfortune of going through was the U.S. Emergency Alert System.
Damn. Never had this. Canada better, Canada better.
A national public warning system that would warn people of emergency information like weather and such. But most of the times I ever saw it, they was just testing the system. They would play this almost every Tuesday night. I remember, and almost every time it was a test, ruining my night for no reason.
Nigga said, oh, gotta go to sleep after emergency alarm. Like, bro, what? You literally read it was a test. Why did you go back to sleep? Watch Family Guy, bro. Watch Family Guy.
But the worst nights would be when it wasn't a test, and they would play the interruption for a tornado warning or a severe thunderstorm. And during those interruptions, this would start talking back to you, loud as hell, announcing the warning using an Xbox mic. Those warnings would make me piss myself back then. I wasn't even listening to the words they were saying. As soon as I hear him talking, I instantly knew it was serious. My mind would go straight to the worst outcome.
Nigga David, listen, I get
so sick of black people.
Worst case scenario when the guy said, oh, there's a tornado, oh, there's a thunderstorm. Like, nigga, go to your room, bro. Go on your phone.
Like, oh no, we're gonna get nuked. Oh no.
Oh, my fault. You guys didn't have phones back in that age, huh, buddy? Hey there, bud.
It's gotta be Russia. I thought Putin was bluffing. God, please protect my house from the nuke. But not my school. It got to the point where I just turned off the TV every time it popped up, because the alarm sounds of the broadcast alone make me think 9/11, the squeakquel, is about to happen. There's also
that is a crazy comparison right there, though. 9/11, but
Amber alerts getting sent to our phones every time someone goes missing. Acting like when I see that alert, I'm gonna put on my Batman suit and instantly start looking for the lost person and interrogating everybody.
Damn, I need this part 2, bro. I don't want to wait another 2025. Damn, this movie was good, bro.
I find suspicious. I got better things to do. I got 4 o'clock at 4 o'clock, bro. I can't miss that. Nah, but people do need to for real look for the people that they send alerts for. I'm just a dickhead. Because like I said before, because when I see a missing person report sent to my phone, my first thought is always, nah, they...
Yep. They better be packed up. Oh my goodness.
Dead. Or they already on the human trafficking bus right now. They're on their way to their local billionaire or Minecraft YouTuber's house, bro. Man, it's over. Matter. It's a bad habit and I shouldn't think it. I know. And the sound of the alert is also...
Nah, I'd be thinking that too. Anything happens, worst case scenario. Niggas already packed up. It's tough, yeah.
So I start to wonder what the alerts sound like in the rest of the world. Are they as, less, or equally as annoying and scary as the one here? Let's peep this out. Let's start with the most advanced civilization.
What is the most advanced civilization? China?
Civilization in the world. North Korea.
Okay. Wasn't thinking that.
Yeah. Whose EAS alarm sounds like someone moving a table across the floor. Like, you hear this, right? This is supposed to be the...
This is not the alarm. There's no way this is the alarm. Yeah.
Emergency sound. Yet if I heard this at night, I'ma just be thinking, who the f is playing Minecraft this loud at 2 a.m. and listen to Poland's? Shit sounds like those weird flutes from that one SpongeBob episode.
Yeah, those... What the hell?
Or when a Looney Tune character falls off a cliff. this supposed to keep me alert? In Germany's EAS, like, this don't sound like an alarm system. Just add a Brazilian beat to it, and now it turns into the dance song of the year. It's like these countries don't understand what an emergency alarm is supposed to sound like. It's not supposed to sound happy or silly. It's gotta be scary. Example, Saudi Arabia's 1991 alarm. Something that sounds so simple, yet
Nah, that shit sounds like a ghost that's about to enter your room. You know the painted lady from Avatar when she came in? That's the music it sounds like it would be behind, but oh my god.
so alarming. Shit sounds like a 70s horror movie. Also, there's Lebanon's alarm, which when it goes off, it sounds like freaking aliens landed on Earth. I love it. And then there's Egypt,
What?
which when it goes off, it sounds like freaking aliens landed on Earth. I love
When did this happen? Look at everyone in the back too. Yeah.
it. And then there's Egypt's, which just sounds like the most nightmare-inducing shit a person can hear. Honestly,
That's not the alarm. It just sounds like a guy going up to his mic. Like, bro, that's not the goddamn alarm.
if I heard this in the middle of the night as a kid, I'd be thinking the fucking Decepticons are taking over the country. And I love it. This is what all emergency alarms should sound like. When you think of a national emergency, you gotta have an alarm to
Who has this shit in their driveway, bro?
properly dictate how bad the situation is. Even if the
Oh, it's a megaphone. I thought it was the speed detector. Nah, that'd be annoying as fuck. Nigga inside. Stop speeding.
situation isn't that bad, but it still garners an EAS broadcast, like, it might rain tomorrow. I want to hear the most bone-chilling, bone-guzzling, horrifying alarm that the human mind could ever imagine. So horrifying that the people that heard it would think the rain that's falling down the sky will burn off their skin and give them cancer. And the only way for them to escape is to flee to the next continent. That's the kind of alarm I want for the countries. Not no calm, everything is sunshine and rainbows. No, like Japan's EAS alarm, like, what is this? This shit sounds like a...
So yeah, just like some alarm you put on your phone to wake up slowly because you don't want to hear the regular Apple alarm. Oh my goodness, man. Yuck.
ringtone. If I was living there and I heard that, I'd be like, oh, did I get a text message? Shucks, it's just an EAS
Did I get a text message?
alarm. It's whatever. It's probably nothing. I'll just go on with my day and continue on my afternoon walk and what the hell is that? You see? That's why countries should have crazy loud, deafening alarm sounds no matter how bad the situation is. Cause the day there is a real emergency, the people will always be prepared and aware. Probably mass hysteria and freak out would happen, but
Mass hysteria versus calming. Nobody gives a fuck. Like, I don't know which one I'm choosing though.
we will all be ready for it. The US should have a national alarm less like Finland's guitar ballad and more like Zombia's "Get the hell out of here" alarm. And that's reason 2099 you should vote for me for president. My first act of Congress, changing our EAS alarm system. I even created one myself. Hear it.
Oh my god, this is gonna be. It's gonna rain. Get inside, and this is the alarm.
I made that one myself. And the people of the US will always respectfully and accordingly act as follows upon hearing this EAS system. Second act, free gas station weed. Cause no nigga should
Free gas station weed. What?
ever be legally paying for that shit. America, we have a problem and I just fixed it. You're welcome. Because clearly nowadays it feels like our government is moving backwards. Anyways, that's all I really wanted to talk about. I wanted to talk about more of them, but half of these alarms sound the same to one another and the other half are just fake sounds. I seen a bunch of fake ones like this 1923 Mozambique EAS video and it's just the freaking Roblox music.
Niggas are trolling with alarm music. Niggas take trolling to the next level. Why are you going on YouTube saying, yeah, this Mozambique alarm? Let's just put the Roblox out.
Can't even trust my sources, bro. So that was a thing. But before I go, I have had an epiphany. The greatest idea to be ever thunk by a human being. Steve Jobs and Aristotle combined couldn't even think of this idea. You ready? I've decided I wanted to hear you guys' confessions. because that has obviously never been done in the history of the internet ever. I know, crazy original idea, right? I want y'all to write me your wildest confessions, shit you planned on taking to your grave. It don't even gotta be something you've done. It could be something your friend done that fucked you up. I'll read them.
Bro literally just saw him get off and he's like, yeah, this is my opportunity to get that bike. What the fuck?
All anonymously. Don't worry, your secret's safe for me. All you gotta do is email your terrible confessions. It's on screen,
No.
also in the description. The topic doesn't matter, so you can send them away. You can also comment it down
Yeah, I knew niggas got, bro. I gotta see
below
what
if you're too lazy to do that. But I'ma tell you, there's a way bigger chance of you getting exposed in real life if you comment, bro. I will censor your username in the video, but I don't delete comments though. So if you got something horrible to say, you should probably just email it or keep it to yourself. That's probably much better. I'm doing this because I think
For me, there's a very specific event which one of these was used. There's a YouTube that you can find easily that shows. Oh, I thought I was reading a story. Sorry, guys. Okay, no one's commenting, I guess. My bad.
it'll be fun, and also I know I haven't posted in a minute. I wish I had a good excuse like, oh man, I caught the gout, bro. But, like, nah.
The gout?
Ah man, let's just say I haven't learned that much from my last procrastination video, which was a year ago. And age restricted, so you probably haven't even watched it. I know I could get this confession video out faster than usual. That's all I really wanted to say. I'll be waiting. And in conclusion,
Of course, generosity comes up with a good video every time, yo. We out though.